Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the machine safe and accessible. Unplug it and wait 15-20 minutes so internal parts cool. Once done, collect the Delonghi kit, descaler, cleaning tablets, brush, cloth, and a container so you won't interrupt the flow. Remove beans or pods and empty the water tank because solids will block solutions and reduce effectiveness. Make sure to wipe visible coffee residue. This improves contact between cleaning agents and internal surfaces and speeds up the overall job. Now you perform the active cleaning. Dissolve the cleaning tablet or mix the descaler exactly as the kit specifies, because concentration affects machine components. Then pour the solution into the tank, position a container under the spout, and run the machine's cleaning or descaling program. This forces solution through pipes and the brew unit to remove scale and oils. Once that cycle completes, make sure to run multiple rinse cycles with fresh water, so no chemical residue or off flavors remain in the system. Finish by rinsing and drying all removable parts: water tank, drip tray, portafilter. Then reassemble using orientation marks so seals align and leaks don't occur. Next, run a plain water shot to confirm normal flow and taste. Listen for unusual noises and inspect for drips. If flow is weak or coffee tastes off, clean the brew unit and filters manually, and if problems persist, repeat the descaling cycle. This addresses stubborn scale buildup that can restrict flow or damage pumps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.